So you just registered on this website, but there are no surveys for you to complete each and every day. Sometimes they're giving you 2 surveys or even 1 survey. So this video is for you. I'm going to show you other option that you can use here to make more money without doing any surveys, guys. So watch this video until the end, just because I'm gonna show you step by step. Please don't skip the video, watch until the end, just because I'm gonna give you a bonus for you to make more money on this one without completing any survey, guys. So I suggest you watch the video until the end. So please, before getting to it, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell, so that each and every time I wanna drop, you'll be the first one to get a video, guys. So I don't want to waste your time. I'm gonna log in on my Opinion Brew account now. So okay, guys, as you can see, now I'm in now. So look at this money that I made here. I have 100 rand now. So I want to show you that the strategy that I'm using is making me more money, guys. So let me show you. I want you to see. As you can see, guys, here, as you can see. So let me show you something. So 10 rand, 10 rand, 10 rand, 10 rand, 10 rand. Guys, trust me, this is the money that I made yesterday. Only yesterday, guys. This is worth 60 rand. I made 60 rand yesterday, guys. So this is the proof that I'm trying to share with you. So guys, I didn't complete any survey to get this money. I didn't complete any survey. So I use a referral. I refer my friends to this website, and also I used a strategy to get that 60 rand, guys. I used the strategy to get that 60 rand only just by referring, guys. Only just by referring. So guys, you don't need to like focus on surveys. You focus on referrals, just because each and every referrals they're giving you 10 rand just for referring, guys. They're giving you 10 rand each and every person that you refer to this website, guys. So guys, if you are new or to this website and you haven't registered on this website, I will leave the link. The first link on my description will be the link of the video. If you want to register, you need to go and watch the video. I have posted the video yesterday. You need to first go and watch that first video before this one. You need to go and watch that video, and then you will see how I show you how to register on this website. So go and watch that video. I will put the link on my first description, guys. I will leave the link on my first description. So go and watch the video. So guys, let me show you guys what I did here. Let me show you what I did to get this 10 rands each and every time. Even when I sleep, guys, I get 10 rand when people registering. So let me show you guys. Let me show you what I did, guys. So if you are new and you haven't registered to this website, and also I will leave the link of this website on my description. Remember, on my description for you to register, guys. So let me show you what I did, guys. Let me show you. So I I focused on referrals, guys. I focused on referrals. So let me show you. Let me click where they say referral. As you can see, you're going to read everything here. So let me read for you. We are offering you another opportunity to earn extra by referring your friends. So as you can see, by referring, guys, you get 10 rand, guys. You get 10 rand just for referring, guys. 10 rand each and every referral. So number one, step one, guys, share the referral link with your friends. Step 2, they visit the link and join Opinion Buria. I don't know the name, guys. So step 3, your referral or your referrals activate their account and update their basic information. So guys, your friend need to, when they register your friends, they need to verify their account, and also they update their profile so that you can get that 10 rand, guys. It's easy. They just need to register the account, and then they verify their account, and then they update their profile information. They just put their names. They're going to ask them some questions there. They're just going to answer those questions, and then you will get your 10 rand, guys. It's free. It's free to join this referral, guys. So what you need to do, is to click where they say invite friends. Click where they say invite friends, guys, and then you land somewhere here, and then you're gonna put your name. You're gonna put your name. You're gonna put, and then okay, you don't wanna confuse you. I don't want to confuse you. Okay, you're gonna put your name, and then you put your referrals email address. So yeah, guys, you're gonna put your email, the email that you use to register this website. You're going to need that email to you're gonna put that email here, guys. So I'm gonna put mine, but I already done this one. You're gonna put your email, and then you're gonna click send. When you click send, they're going to send you an email with your link, guys. They're going to send you an email, guys. The email will be having your link, so you need to copy that link that you got on your email. That link is your link, guys. You need to share to your friends. That link is the link that you will need to share to your friends, guys, so that you can get this 10 rand each and every time, guys. Use that link, share it to WhatsApp, Facebook. So guys, as I told you that I'm gonna show you how you're going to do this, guys. Let me show you, guys. You can firstly, you can come on WhatsApp, guys. You have friends on WhatsApp, you can come on WhatsApp. Let's take this one is your friend. Let me say this one. You're gonna be like, hey man, how are you? Okay, you're gonna be like, hey man, how are you? I want to share with you a website that pays me 50 rand just for signing up. That pays me 50 rand just for signing up. So if you love you like to make money, or if you would love to make money online, I can I can give you the website so that you can register, and then you tell him how what you need to do to that website. As I explained to you, you're going to do that, and then if you register using your link, you'll get that 10 rand, just like that, guys. You will so this guy, you're going to give him your link. Maybe paste your link here. Not my, this one is my number. So you're gonna paste your link here. You're gonna share him your link, guys. So when you register, you will get your 10 rand, guys, just like that. And then you're gonna come to Facebook. You're gonna come to Facebook. You're gonna search like how to make money online. Ish, come on. Gonna be like how to make money online. How to make money online in South Africa. Yes, you can say in South Africa, just because we're targeting people from South Africa. And then okay, this one's a page. I don't want to go to pages. This is where I want how to make money in South Africa. Yes. So guys, this is the group that I once joined. What I will need to do is to come here. You can be like you can even put a proof here. Okay, maybe this one. You can put this one, but this one is for me. I'm just showing you. You can maybe put an image of the website, or yeah, you can even do that. So then you're gonna be like hey guys, I found okay, you're gonna be like, okay, hey guys, I'm not going to write everything. You're gonna be like, hey guys, I found a new website that pays you 50 rand just for signing up, and it's amazing. So I suggest you guys go and check it out. It's so amazing, just like that, guys. And then you put your link under your message. You put the link under your message, the link that you got via email. You're gonna put it here, and then you make a post just by doing that. And you're gonna do this in each and every day, guys. You're gonna do this each and every day so that you can make more money, guys. So every day you're gonna post this message. You're gonna go to WhatsApp and post like each and every time, guys. So you can even join like more groups, join like many groups. There are a lot of groups, guys. Here there are a lot of groups you can join, guys. There are a lot of groups. You're gonna search like groups, how to make money online in South Africa. There are a lot of groups, guys, and then you join all the groups, guys. join all the groups. So it's the only way to make more money here, guys. Join all the group and post each and every day. Just post the same message. You can even change the message and post each and every time and post. That's how you're going to make more money, guys, on this website, guys. This is so amazing. This is something I do myself, guys. This is something I do to get this profit. So go and do that, guys, and make more money, guys, because you won't wait for surveys each and every time so to make money. Just do what I'm telling you to do. You're going to make like a lot of money here, guys. So that's so amazing, guys. If you like this video, guys, please comment down and say this fire, because I'm going to drop more videos, guys, for you guys. Just comment down and say this is so amazing, so that I'll know how many people love this content. Just comment down. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, guys, and hit that notification bell so that each and every time when I drop, guys, you will get the video, guys. So thank you for watching, guys. I love you. You know I'm always dropping some hot content for you guys. Yo, I love you, guys. See you on the next video. It's your boy CMK. I hope you're going to make a lot of money on this website.